Okay, so Mauritius vlog day 8. I think it's 8. So just an update on Tuesday when we went to the Black River Gorge. I didn't show a lot of it because I couldn't even hold anything. I was just holding all the branches around. We went down a very, very, very steep hill, and it was full of uprooted trees, rocks, and to say this was trail is the outlie. It was so dangerous. So I couldn't hold my phone and even really show you how bad it got. So that was a terrain for about an hour. Just like, it was almost vertical. That's how bad this hill was. And then we kept descending. It took a total of 4 hours. Supposedly supposed to be 2 hours. It was 4 hours. And we went through a terrain that kind of leveled out slightly. And then it was just like rocks, tons of rocks. And I slipped on a rock I didn't see, and I twisted my knee. And it's already technically like my bad knee. And my leg was just so swollen. And then we didn't go home immediately. My husband decided, oh, you know, I haven't been in this area in like 10 years. Let's look around. So they looked around. And then we didn't get home till like, okay, so we left like 8:30 in the morning. We didn't get back till like 7. Oh, it was just my husband interrupting me. So yeah, we didn't get home till very late, and by that time my leg was so swollen, and I was still so pissed off at my husband. And then we had like a proper fight, and then I had to like cut the fight. I'm like, okay, enough, stop. I'm in so much fucking pain. Find me some fucking painkillers. And I kind of ended it. But I was legit in tears. My knee was so fucking swollen. And it hurt. Like, don't even fucking touch it. It hurt. I was just... So that kind of set the tone for the next day, where I spent quite a while just in bed with my knee up. And that's like so lazy to me. I don't like doing that, and I still had to do it. And we went out because I needed some exercise. I needed to get out. I couldn't proper exercise. I can't exercise at the moment. I'm gonna try tomorrow to catch up on 2 days worth. But I couldn't do anything. Most I could walk, and it was more like hobbling. It's hot in here. I'm opening the window. So that we didn't really do anything yesterday, which is why I didn't vlog. We went to La Foi to pick up my son some bhajas, which he really likes, which is kind of like savory doughs, really. It's just dough that's dropped in the fryer with a little bit of, I think, turmeric, maybe saffron. No, definitely turmeric. And it's very nice, especially with tomato chutney, which is what we've been eating. And then we went to the beach a little bit, Peribel, which was... I could feel like the intense pressure on my knee, so I didn't really get to do much there. I did what I can, you know, maybe get some exercise in. And then we kind of had wine in bed. But yeah, that's about it. So today, it's a bit more of an adventure, so to speak. We are going to, I think we're going to go bowling because it's been raining for the most part. It's not at the moment, but it's raining really, really hard. So we were maybe bowling today. I don't know what we'll do in the middle of the day, but in the evening we have a dinner with some family. It's his grandmother, and she's 92, I believe, so probably one of the last ones we ever attend. But we won't be there for too long, I think, like an hour or two max. But yeah, so today will be pretty boring. Actually yesterday, before I forget, we saw a fire. It was like the entire sugarcane field was on fire, and apparently that's normal, but they're not supposed to be doing that. I don't know, it's just, I didn't have my phone with me, it was in the back. I really wish I got, it'll probably be some today, we'll see. But yeah, that's it for now. Back to later. Going bowling. Oh, look, they got the kitty ones too. Perfect.
Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, maybe up to the end.
Uh-oh. Come on. Yay! Well done. Come on, good time. Oh, we're gonna be doing that every single time. He doesn't like losing.
Yeah, I know. There's so loser on you, man. But guess what? You just get better at it. Ready? Ready? One, two, three, push. Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, you gotta
Yay!
Wrap it off. Look at it again.
Let's see. I don't know what that
I
is.
think that is lentils.
Yeah, that looks like that. No, I'm talking about that one.
This is dessert.
Yeah, I know that, but what type is that? I don't understand.
Said it, I couldn't remember.
You're helpful.
That's lentils.
Is that aubergine? Yeah, he said aubergine, didn't he?
Right?
What do you say? I don't know.
It is not. It is not.
Oh yeah, that's all gone.
I
I still don't know what that is, but I don't really. I'm not a fan of that one, but I'm full.
Which one?
The dessert. I don't know what that is.
No, I'm eating that.
Crap, man, you scraped yours clean, didn't you?
Take a small piece. I'm gonna find.
Look at those birds, eh?
That's like a beige, eh?
It's a bird's nest. 9 to 5, 7 days a week, 7. It says 7, which is not a routine. Boutique and visit around. Bandit together. Who's up? Let's find out some info. Where's some trouble? Hey, look. A silo, isn't it?
Yeah?
Silo.
Not silo.
Silo.
Chimney.
What's that?
Yeah.
Ooh!
Chimney that's next to the...
Ow, my knee. Oh, cool. Look at that. Don't step on that.
Actually called the layer for me.
What is?
That's me. What weed? Moss.
Okay.
Layer boy. Now it's put in patches.
Yeah.
That's how it becomes over there. It goes everywhere.
That's pretty cool. Jewelry and objet d'art. Look at that.
Really cool.
So pretty.
These are tamarind.
That's a tamarind tree.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Tamarind is
Very sour fruit.
very.
And
Is it a fruit?
Yeah, that's a fruit.
Oh, I
A
didn't
lot
know that
of people
actually.
eat it like this. My sister loves it like this.
For real?
A lot of people cook it and make it like a compote, and they love it here.
Yeah, I don't. I've never liked tamarind, to be honest with you.
And you use it for cooking a lot, indeed.
Yeah, yeah. Or in desserts.
Yeah.
Like that. There you go. One on the floor. Is that individual sugar cane?
Yep.
Yeah.
Never move.
Do they?
Annoyingly,
These are kind of like
these are what they're pushing for. These types,
Yeah, why
Because
you
they're
get to go
higher
faster.
they grow faster. They're more resistant to pest. they're harder. People don't like eating them because it's harder to eat.
Look at that. Imagine going down that as a slide. Woo!
I know, right? I don't know what's on top of this.
Maybe it is a slide. Maybe you gotta jump.
No, I think it's that's one of the systems. That was actually that's good. That used to be a mill before.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Why else would they have all this stuff here, right?
Yeah.
So now it's just a museum.
Yeah. That is good with you. Pretty
That's
cool.
really fucking cool. If that actually moved, I'd be like, let's get the fuck on it and even just have a coffee. I like trains that are like restaurants. Restaurants are like trains. I don't know. Fuck off. It's cool. And you know it.
They didn't think that was getting-
But you know, they have them in London. We should find it.
Oh, let's go locomotive.
Yeah, locomotive has trains. We should do it.
That used to be steam engine. That would go up and down, up and down.
Ooh.
When this would work, there would be another wheel here that would keep grabbing and turning. And as it turned, it would move the thing up and down, and it would move the whole wheel.
And that's what would grind. That's what will grind, make it sugar.
Yeah.
Make a nice battery. You seen it like from Pop Pixie? Wow.
Tic-Tac makes great inventions.
Fucking gorgeous. God damn.
That's like a real
Flower I have on my ass. Isn't it a hibiscus that's on my butt?
I don't know.
no.
Dude, you're the one who's always looking at it.
Well, teaches you to do.
Oh, you're so funny.
Beautiful.
I think it's a hibiscus. I'm fairly certain it is. Granted, it's been like quite a few years, but honey, come right this way. Yes, you're here, aren't we? I suppose. So let's find some information. We're at Sugar World. Oi. Wow.
Come here, honey.
Look at that.
Wow!
It is real. It's not.
Look at that. Oh, stuff of sugar.
Daddy, look, sugar. Daddy, sugar.
These are different sugar.
I know, that's so freaking
Different sugar
cool.
types.